Welcome to our Countertop Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular portable ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the COWSAR. Both machines promise convenience and efficiency, but which one truly delivers? We'll explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Sweetcrispy ice maker is available for $69, making it a more budget-friendly choice for those looking to enjoy homemade ice without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the COWSAR model is priced at $109, which may be justified by its additional features and slightly higher ice production capacity. Let's see if the extra cost translates into better performance. In terms of ice production speed, the Sweetcrispy ice maker produces 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, which is impressive for quick refreshment during parties or gatherings. Meanwhile, the COWSAR model produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. While both machines are efficient, the Sweetcrispy takes the lead in this category, making it a great option for those who prioritize speed. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capacities, with the Sweetcrispy capable of producing 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the COWSAR slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 26.5 pounds. This marginal difference may not significantly impact your experience, but it does highlight the COWSAR's ability to produce just a bit more ice for those larger gatherings or events. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and COWSAR ice makers offer great features for anyone in need of a portable ice solution. The Sweetcrispy stands out with its lower price and faster ice production, while the COWSAR offers slightly higher capacity and additional features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.